Hey guys, good morning. Ready to go over Ethereum. So if you guys didn't see the Bitcoin video, I actually just did a $14,000 deposit. And if you guys are ever wondering like, hey, I wonder if Coinbase actually does deposits, well, guys, it was instant. Account went up $14,000 like within like 5 seconds. So make sure you guys watch the Bitcoin video of how I did that. It's very simple, but we are currently sitting at just down 11% in the account. 150 is break even for us. I know most accounts are down between 50-60% right now with this drop here. We're doing incredibly well. We are currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins, so that's really good. We've never ever lost a crypto trade. And I'll show you guys in the second half of this video how to trade with our program, how to trade literally with me. We hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube for cryptocurrency. And I'll show you guys how to trade with me. I'll show you guys how to get the indicators that I'm going to be talking about today. Just real quick, guys, just so you know this, you have 2 days left. January 28th, the 3 indicators I'm going to show you guys today, they're going up in price. So make sure you guys get these today. I use them all the way through 2022, and this is how we actually have called all of our 102 wins. And this is how we call drops in the market as well, which I'm going to be showing you guys today. And then we're going to be going over the actual metrics for Ethereum today. Long versus short trades, well and institutional smart money, what they're doing, guys. And then we're going to end, and I'm going to show you guys how to get into our trade setup so you guys can get to a trade right now and take advantage of the pump. Okay, well, let's do this, guys. All right, let's start here. Trend dashboard. Gonna make this fast. Retail traders, what am I looking at? I'm looking to see if retail traders are more bullish or bearish today. Well, it happens to be that we are split down the middle today. We have all these indicators, RSI, stochastic, and MACD bullish, but we've got the moving averages bearish. So when I'm looking at this in the morning, I'm waking up and I'm like, okay, well, right now, I see that people are definitely pushing money into the market, but we haven't got to the sentiment yet where we're above moving averages. And people who are trading with the trend and where the trend is their friend and all that type of stuff, that's where they really want to start trading long when the moving averages are below the price action. We're currently having the price action below the moving averages, okay? So what I'm watching for now is I'm going to go down here with my eyes. This is exactly what I do every single morning. If you guys want to know how I trade, I teach millionaires this, I teach hedge funds worth billions of dollars this is what we do every day, guys, and we're going to start doing this more as a family, actually live in our inner circle that's coming out, so I'll talk about that later. Okay, price to swell money flow. My eyes go directly here in the morning. What do I see? I simply look at this. Is the trend exhaustion in the top red section, and is well money flow high? If it is, I'm looking for a drop. So yes, I am looking for Ethereum to come to this descending resistance line, and I am looking for a drop back down. Why? Because it is actually called, these indicators, guys, have called the last 16 drops in a row. Look at this. Here's the qualifications. When the trend exhaustion got into the top red section and the well money flow is high, it called the drop in the market. Great. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high here as well. What happened? It called the drop here. You guys can argue, even say that called that drop and that called the drop here. It doesn't matter. Look at this. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. What happened around this area? We immediately dropped right after that. Previous time before that, we saw all of these little moves, these little spikes in the top red section here. Well money flow high, and then we saw the drop back down. You guys can set alerts up for the trend exhaustion, by the way, so you guys can actually get alerted when the market's about to drop. Seriously, it called this drop here. It literally called this drop. And if you guys are following me straight up here and looking at these, it called this drop right here, and it called this one over here. Not just that, but it called the bigger ones when the trend exhaustion was up here, as well as when the well money flow is up here. This is how it called it here, guys. Like the power that I have when I get on a coaching call with hedge funds, or when we talk, the guys that are like, hey, Travis, I want to inject $10 million into the market. I'm serious, guys. We literally open up this chart and we look at these 2 indicators and we assess them before we enter in and we talk about getting into trades. That's why I start every day with it. These are the 2 most accurate indicators to call the drops and the pumps in cryptocurrency. I know this because we hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and I've coded indicators for TradingView.com customers, and I've even had the TradingView COO and CMO try to purchase indicators from me in the past that I've coded. I've a lot of experience, you guys, not to be arrogant, but this is what we check. So hold the indicators to a test today if you guys want. Watch this up here. Watch as this moves up here. We are seeing the trend exhaustion and well money flow high. This would be the 17th call in a row for a drop. So I would be expecting within the next 3 candles that we start seeing a rejection move back down on Ethereum. Now, if we keep going up, all right. Well, if that does happen, I want you guys to be watching for something. I want you to watch for what's called divergence. Okay? Divergence is when you actually start seeing price structure move up here, and then you actually start seeing the money flow starting to move out like this and trend exhaustion starting to move down like this. This will show us that money's actually moving out of the market and it's overextending itself, and that's where I'd be looking for a drop back down, okay? What could happen here is we could start moving up here, break this resistance line, come down here, break and retest, and actually shoot up here, but this will need to see a pullback. I do not see this whatsoever skyrocketing straight up here, so we are going to see a pullback here with a drop, and then we could see a move back up after that, but not before we see a move back down. This is not going to be a straight shot straight up here. It will make a higher low formation. I'm like pretty positive of that. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's go over to the Ethereum metrics this morning, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, the emotional index. Again, I'm pretending like you guys are a hedge fund talking to me on a call right now. Let's take a look at the emotional index. I know the market right now is fearful for Ethereum. I know for a fact if the market's fearful, Wells institutions are buying this. Guys, I just put $14,000 into the market. Now I'll call out today in the Telegram channel. I'll show you guys how to get access into this in just 1 second. But I'll call out every single trade that I'm taking. And I'll tell you guys how many buy limits I'm taking today so you guys can copy me. Long versus short trades. The point of this being is when retail traders are really anxious, this is where you guys want to buy. This is where you really want to buy the market, okay? I'll prove this to you in a second. Long versus short trades. We are seeing here that short trades are increasing here because there's still a party out there, whoever they are, that thinks this thing's just going to keep going down. They're not wrong. I don't blame them that, yes, cryptocurrency could still go down further. Like, absolutely, we could still see a move back down here to structure low. Like, I wouldn't doubt if it actually, possibly happens soon. But, guys, we actually formed a very weak reverse head and shoulders pattern here. Do you guys see this right here? Which this could be getting very bullish. I showed this to you guys on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin could go to 70,000 before the end of first quarter. That's not unrealistic whatsoever. So the point of showing this to you guys is just know there's a little bit of pressure on short trades getting into the market for Ethereum, but long trades are here to follow as well, moving up. So that it somewhat cancels out the pressure of short trades. Okay, trades in favor, long trades. Blue metric bar, we're sitting in good long trade. That's why I'm taking long trades today. That's what you guys want to be sitting on, long trades all day long. Well, in institutional smart money, well, an incredible amount of acquisition over here for smart money is taking place at this lower spot here. What's been happening here is we are seeing the reversal back up. This is where I injected $35,000 right around this area, and I got into Ethereum. I told you guys that. And now I'm injecting another $14,000 today into the markets again. And I'll tell you guys the coins that I'm buying. I really do believe this market could start heading up. Here's what you guys, with our membership, you get access to all these metrics. When you're seeing the price go down and you guys see long trades increase here, that's when the market's going to be going up. When you guys see the price move down and the long trades are moving up here for smart money, that's when the market moves up. Conversely, when you guys see the market move up here and short trades increase, guys, the market's not going to keep going up. It's going to move back down. You can't have price action going up here with this much shorting power in the markets in smart money going short. This same thing I don't believe this market can keep going down too much further, if maybe any further, without seeing some type of a pump because there's so much acquisition of long trades, okay? You guys follow me with this? Look at how much money is flowing into this market. Yes, we're getting to a high point here where we might take some profits, but this could just be a healthy higher low formation, not moving all the way back down, and then actually pump us up very fast here. Guys, this is bullish. I hope you're buying. I hope you're buying, guys. I hope you are buying. Support and resistance prices. The greatest next resistance that I'm looking at, guys, is up here at structure resistance of 3,600. So 3,600 is right here. So I'm going to be looking at this. Break of the descending resistance to a push up here is not unlikely whatsoever. Our break even entry is at 34.95. I'm in this trade with you guys with about $2,000 at each buy limit, only down 24.75%. Not worried whatsoever. We haven't even hit our fourth buy limit yet. Okay, so we're doing very good in this trade. One more second here, and I'll show you guys how to get into our membership and how to take our next trades. Dollar cost average entries. Well, all my diamond hand holders out there, if you guys want to get into the markets and you want to have great entries here, this is great. I do think we could see this happen one more time here where we get a green bar before we start heading up. So just be aware of that and keep on the watch out for that, okay? All right, exit points coming down here. We're seeing here that we have the market moving down. As we start seeing price structure move up here, we will want to be watching for an exit point to come out. It's done a very good job at calling the drop here, calling the drop here, called the drop here, called the drop there. And you guys know over and over, calling the drops here. It also does a very good job on an uptrend to give us some signs to say, hey, if you haven't exited some money out of your long trade, you might want to do this so you can take some profits, okay? So overall, guys, looking at all this, this is a bullish sign. This is a bullish bullish market right now. Long trades in favor. Whales and institutions are buying. We see long trades and short trades increasing, which is actually kind of a mute point here, but we see long trades increasing, which I believe is bullish. So, and with an emotional market that's anxious, this is where I think we could head up here. Now, let me show you guys how to actually make money with us. Because like you guys are like, cool. You guys, here's the deal. With $49 a month, our membership, you guys get access to all of the metrics I just showed you guys for all 12 coins, okay? The value of that alone is just ridiculous. Like CryptoQuant at their max membership pays like $400 a month. And I personally think our well institutional smart money is actually the best metric on online for crypto as far as metrics go. It's done a very good job of calling the tops and the bottoms in, and we make a lot of money with that because we enter in when whales are buying, just like I am today. And our account's already gone up. Let me see if I can. Our account's gone up close to about $4,500 within the last 24 hours. So that's been pretty cool just from buying yesterday and getting into this pump here. So $49 a month gives you guys access to all the metrics you just saw for all the 12 coins, as well as it gives you guys access to all the buy limits, all the trade setups that I'm taking, which I'll show you guys in a second. And it also gives you guys access into the Telegram channel and the inner circle, which this down here, you guys just need to come down here and click this. This will give you guys access into the inner circle where I'm going to start updating videos and training courses for you guys of masterclass level training that you guys can have. It's not going to be available on YouTube. It's only going to be available over here. And then we're actually going to start scheduling live Zoom calls with the entire team, everybody trading with our membership. I'm going to get on Zoom with you guys and we're going to talk about the markets, do open Q&A sessions. I'll teach you guys things in these classes, something that I don't see a lot of people doing right now, and I want to add an incredible amount of value for you guys. So that's why our membership is going up. So make sure you guys lock this in here today at $49 and get in here because our prices are going up to $95 February 25th. But know this, I will grandfather all of you guys in at $49 a month, okay? So you'll never have to pay the upgraded price when it goes up. You'll stay at $49 forever, which is absolutely a crazy steal. Okay, let's come over here. This is how we take all of our trades. This is how we've won all 102 trades. It's over on this front page, okay? Obviously, today we're talking about Ethereum, so you guys want to click into Ethereum, but I want to show you guys how to set up the Ethereum trade today based off the Bitcoin chart here to keep it private for our members. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our live trades, as well as all of our metrics, 92 plus metrics updated 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here's how you guys trade with us. It's very simple. Take the amount that you want to trade with. Let's just say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, which is $250, and place 4 different buy limits in your exchange. Right now, this morning, you can do this. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is exactly what I do. This is how we've never lost a trade. $250 at this buy limit, $250 buy limit, $250, $250. Here's all your prices right here in neon yellow. I'm literally going to be using these prices today on the coins that I tell you guys to inject $14,000 into the market, and I'll call that out on Telegram, so make sure you guys have your membership if you want to follow me on that, okay? What you guys are going to see is it's going to update to 126 today because obviously it's 125 and they updated 8 and it's 6:57 a.m. right now, so we still have a little bit of time. Okay, once you guys have done that, get into the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is where I call all of my exits for the coins that we're in based off on the YouTube channel, all the trades that you guys see up here. You guys can exit with me. That's what you guys want to get over there. I'm also using the indicators to call exits, and I'm also going to be giving you guys updates of when I post the master level class trainings in the inner circle, and you guys will get a notification over here, as well as insider market info that I see that I don't put out on YouTube. I'll give you guys warnings of that over here as well. Literally everything you need is in the the Telegram channel, okay? Now, the indicators, guys, I mentioned this to you guys in the beginning. You only have 2 days left. So today's the 26th, and then the 28th they go up. These are the 3 indicators I use every single day, and I'm going to be using these all the way through 2022, okay? We've never lost a trade trading with these indicators, and this is what we use to call every single exit. Now, these 3 are the ones that you want, and these 3 are going to be going up in price in literally 2 days, so please snag them now and do yourself a favor. However, the bundle pack is going to give you guys 21% more off all the indicators, and for pretty much the same price you guys buy the 3 with, you guys are going to get all 9 of them, okay? I don't want to turn this into like a big sales video, but like at least let me help you save some money if you guys are going to be trading with us and you see our win rate. We hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto trades. I believe we have the healthiest account on all of YouTube that I can personally find in this market crash because we use such good risk management. I will teach this all to you guys when you guys are in the membership. You like literally come over here and take the trade setups just like I showed you on any of our coins, and then follow me in Telegram and use the indicators to predict those moves up and down. We called the last 16, we're looking for the last 16 drops in a row that we've called with these indicators. Imagine the power that you have in your hands now to actually like make good financial decisions for yourself. That's with these three. So bundle pack is absolutely the best because we'll give you guys an extra 21% off today. So do not miss that. Make sure you guys are getting that today, okay? It's a one-time fee. It's not monthly. It's a one-time fee, and you get the source code to all of the indicators so nobody can ever take them away from you on TradingView, okay? You literally get them for life. So what I'm watching for, guys, today, to wrap this video up real quick, is just simply a move down here from the resistance. I wouldn't doubt if we see a move down. It would actually be kind of favorable, so I can enter in $14,000 into the market with you guys as well if you guys are buying with me today. I am expecting that because we are seeing this up here. So I think within the next 3 to 4 candles on the 4-hour time frame, we will see a consolidation or a move back down here. And then once we do that, I believe that's going to be a healthy move to possibly get us back up above this descending resistance. And we're going to target most likely this $3,200 area. So that's what I'd be looking for. Honestly, guys, maybe by the end of this month, we could actually hit $3,200. So definitely be watching that. Based off all the metrics and the indicators, we are seeing a temporary bearish sign. Let's be honest about this. Temporary bearish, but overall we're seeing that Wells Institutions buy, which is an overall arching bullish sentiment in the market. All right, guys. God bless you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I'm having so much fun, trading with you guys, coming out with these courses, and I'm like giddy inside to start doing live Zoom calls with you guys. So make sure you guys are securing your spot in the membership for that, because those are going to be so much fun. And again, you guys don't have to pay the $95 a month price when it goes up. Like literally, you're gonna have to pay an extra $46 a month. But as long as you guys get in at $49 and you just stick with your account, you guys will have this membership for life, and you never have to upgrade. And I'm literally just gonna keep coming out with more value for you guys. So the OGs that get in at $49 a month, you guys are gonna be reaping the most benefits. All right, guys, that's a full analysis. Temporary bearish. Overall, we're looking bullish. God bless you guys. Make sure you get the indicators in the description. You have 2 days left for that. Just literally 2 more days. It's Friday. Friday, they're going up. Get them now. Make sure you guys are in our membership. Get in the Telegram channel and take some trades today and get in there if you want, because this is what I'm going to be doing. And again, probably within the next 3 hours, I'll call out exactly what I'm trading and what trades I'm getting into with my $14,000 I injected today, so you guys can follow me if you want. But you need a membership for that to get into the Telegram channel. All right, guys, I love you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.